You are welcome in depressing classes. Our topic motion string in 2 dimension to be continued in this reference. Question number 1. A rope of length 12 feet suspended between 2 points in the same level and lowest point of the rope is b feet below the point of suspension, so that the horizontal component of the tension W into L square minus B square upon 2B, W being weight per unit length. Proof. Solution. ACB is a rope of length 12 feet. Let ACB be a rope 12 feet suspended between A and B. To S equals to 12 or S equals to L. OX is directrix, OY axis, OC parameter, and seg B. Y, vertical distance between C and O and A, Y, C square plus S square. Y means B plus C. Operating formula 2B is equals to C square plus L square, and simplifying C equals to L square minus B square upon 2B. W is the weight per unit length. Horizontal component of tension T naught WC or T naught equals W. That is the tension of at lowest point C, known as horizontal component of the tension. By this figure, ACB rope whose ends A and B are fixed, CD seg length of chain 2S equals to 12, S equals to L. Using this formula, YA means O to A, vertical distance from O to A, OC plus CD means by B plus C whole square equals to C square plus L square, and simplifying W is the weight per unit length of the rope, horizontal component of tension T naught equals WC. Putting the value of C, hence proved. Next question. A uniform chain of length L suspended between A and B in the same horizontal line, so that either terminal tension is n times that lowest point, so that the maximum span must be L upon root n square minus 1 log n plus root n square minus 1. Figure as Question number first. Length of the chain L, L by 2, L by 2. Let AC be a uniform chain of length L suspended between A and B TA is tension at A and T naught is tension at lowest point. T equals to NT naught given. WY equals to NWC, Y equals to NC. By the formula Y is equal to C square plus S square YA NC C square plus L upon 2 square N square C square minus C square equals to L square upon 4 C equals to L upon 2 root N square minus 1. Is that clear? And YA equals to C sec I, Y equals to NC or sec I equals to N tan psi. Maximum span A will be 2x 2c log sec psi plus tan psi. Students, once you can clear your points, let AC be a uniform chain of length L. AC equals to L by 2 and BC also L by 2. Total length L. Maximum span AB and terminal tension. Tensions are T and TB. We can take tension at point A, TA. It is given that T equals to NT naught. T naught is the tension at the lowest point. Putting these values, we get Y equals to NC. Applying this relation and putting the values of YA and SA, we obtain C. And after it, Y equals to C sec psi. That is the relation between Y and psi at point A. And putting these values YA, we get sec psi A and tan psi A. Also we can find out root sec square psi minus 1 tan psi root n square minus 1. Maximum span AB, the horizontal distance between the points of suspension AB, 2x 2c log sec psi plus tan psi. Putting this value of C sexile tensile, we get required solution of this question. Next questions we can discuss in next video. Okay, thanks students.